Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. Previous class we have discussed about the how water is very important to us. We use the water for various purposes. Let me revise whatever we finished in the previous class. Water is very precious. All living things are depend on water. Some animals and plants they live in water. Children, like in the aquatic animals and the plants they live in water. Water we use for various purposes like drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, for agriculture, etc. Children, not only we here, animals also use the water to take a bath, to drink. Yes or no? Even though plants and trees also need the water to prepare their food. Yes, our planet is called the blue planet. Our earth is also called the blue planet because 3/4 part is covered with water only. And this water is present as fresh water, sea water and salt water. So what is the fresh water? What we drink for cooking, for agriculture we will use, that is the fresh water. Fresh water do not contain any salt particles. Sea water contains a high amount of salt. So this water is unfit for cooking, drinking and agriculture. Last one is brackish water. Brackish water where the river water meets the sea. So this water is also unfit for drinking, cooking and agriculture. We also discussed about the formation of rain. Children, how the water from the surface of the earth to the sky and back to the earth. The water evaporates from the lake, sea and it's going to the sky, and then from the sky again it back to the earth only. That is called the formation of rain. And I have given one activity also, children. Have you done? I told to keep 1 glass of water in hot sun and should not cover, should be open. After 3 to 4 days we can observe the level is goes down. Why? Because water has slowly evaporated to the air. Children, and we also discussed about the water cycle. Yes or no? So these all the things we have discussed in the previous classes, and I have shown some images related to water cycle. So children, today we will see how the water is conserved. Conservation of water. Okay children? So next topic is what, children? Conservation of water. We finished the water pollution also. Children, we use the water and we finish the water pollution. Now next we'll see how you will save the water, how you will conserve the water. First we use the water different purposes, for brushing, washing the face, in toilet room, to put off the fire, etc. For numbers of things we use the water. So how we have to save this water? We know it that, children, fresh water is scarce. Means what? It is a very less. So it is very important. It is a very important to conserve the water. 1 drop of water is also very, very important. So we should not waste the water. Yeah, the children, whenever you will brush your teeth, so don't keep the tap in running position. Should not be keep on. If you on and brush, then what will happen? That water, that much it is a waste only. Yeah, the children. Why we have to save water? Because the future we can get that water. Yeah, the children. So there is a numbers of ways are there, methods are there, how to conserve the water. Okay, children. First is running tap when brushing teeth. We should not keep the tap in on position. It should be off when you are brushing your teeth. Okay, children, when you are washing your face also, use the mug or jug. Fill in that water and wash your face. Clear? So first is what your while brushing, do not leave the tap running. While brushing, do not leave tap. Tap means what? Nala. Okay. Tap. Do not leave the tap running. Running means what? Should not keep on only. Sometimes the small kids, what they will do? They will play with that water when they are brushing. Yeah, no? So you should avoid it. Okay, children. So first way is what? While brushing, do not leave the tap running position. The next, when you are taking the bath, children, what you will use? Yes, almost people use the shower only. They use the shower. Instead of using the shower, you should use the bucket to take a bath. Yeah, no? You are applying the soap on your body. Till you are applying the soap on your body, the shower is on condition only. We only don't know how many buckets of water we are wasting. Yes or no? So for that sake, we have to use the bucket to take a bath. Clear, children? To take a bath, we use the bucket. What we should use? To take bath, use the bucket. Use the bucket to take a bath instead of using shower. Now wherever if you find your pipeline is leaking, water pipeline is leaking, immediately you have to call the plumber. If your tap is leaking, if your tap is leaking also, you should call immediately plumber. Make it repair very soon, because one drop of water also very precious, very important. Leaking tap should be fixed immediately to prevent wastage of water. See, if this tap is proper but it is leaking, one drop water is going, then it is wasted the full day. Just you only imagine 1 or 2 bucket water will waste. You know, if the pipeline is damaged, and from there on it is sprinkling, water is sprinkling, more than in 1 day 4 to 5 bucket water will waste. It wastes, no? Water waste only. So for that sake, what we have to do? A leaking tap should be fixed immediately. What is the third Okay children, so leaking tap I only written, but the breakage of pipeline also you should be repaired immediately. When your father is cleaning the car, tell your father should not use the hose pipe. Hose means what? Should not use the pipes to clean the water. Till your daddy apply the soap, clean the glass, mirror, everything, the water is wasting. You know? So instead of using the hose pipe, we should use the bucket to clean the car. Even though in the garden also, in the garden we should not use the hose pipe, we should use the bucket to put the water for plants and trees. Yeah, the children, especially in the garden we should use the sprinkler method. Sprinkler method means what, your children? This is one pipe. With the pipe, the drop water will go everywhere. That is called the sprinkler methods. This methods farmer will use for field. Nowadays we can see in big park and all they will use the sprinkler method only. If you use the sprinkler method, then water will not waste. Drop water, it's go everywhere. Yeah, no children. So here I will show some images. Children, now in these images we can see how we'll save the water. Thus water all around us in rivers, lakes, seas and ocean. You can see children, water storage. See how we are wasting the water. You know, leaking tap and pipes, keeping the tap running while brushing. You know, see numbers of things, using a hose to wash the car. See the leakage of tap, breakage of pipeline. All the things we are dumping, even in the factories and industries, all the wastage we are dumping into the water only. Yes or no? Yes. Instead of planting the tree, we are cutting the tree. Yes. So here how we should conserve the water. So whatever we done, no, it's wrong only. So this is all the things is wrong. So what is the correct method here? Whenever the pipeline is breakage, we should call the plumber, repair leaking pipes and taps. The next, we should not dump anything, any waste material, any garbages into the water. We should not pollute the water. By reducing use of water and by reusing waste water, just to see here, instead of using the pipe, we should use the bucket. And the children, washing machine to wash the clothes. Take a bucket to plant, to put the water for plant. See here. Now next you see the wastage. See, when you are brushing, what you will do, children? You will keep the tap in running position only. We don't know how many bucket of water we are wasting. See, washing the car, we are using the hose, pipe only. See, all the garbages we are dumping in the river, lakes, and we are making the water pollution. Mixing the sewage water in water bodies. Spilling oil also. Cutting of trees dries the ground and lead to drought. See, if you cut the tree, what will happen? We won't get the rain only. building the dam across the river reduce flow of water. Next is conserve water by stopping wastage. Just to see, repair the leaking pipes and tap. Avoid washing paved ways. Your lawn, you should not use the pipeline. Next, don't throw oil in the sink. Don't pour any chemicals down the drain. Don't dump garbages into the river. See, to wash the car, we should use the bucket. Yeah, no, children? This will reduce the water. Next, to wash the vegetables, use the one bucket. After washing the vegetables, that dirty water you can pour in the garden. Then use the bucket instead of using the shower. Plant the trees instead of cutting. So children, just now I have shown the images how to conserve the water. Yeah, no, children? So we should not keep the tap in the running position. While brushing, use the bucket instead of using the shower for bath. Leaking tap or breakage of water pipelines. Immediately you should call the plumber and fix it. Make it repair. Instead of cutting the trees, we should plant the numbers of plants. Yeah, children, this is the some method. If you used in your home, then you will conserve the water, even washing the car. Instead of using the pipeline, use the bucket only. For gardening also, best method is what here? Sprinkler method in garden. You can use it. It's a very effective. The water goes everywhere. So, this is the conservation of water. Next, we'll see what is the rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means what? Storing the water, collecting the water in big tank or sump. That is the meaning of rainwater harvesting. And that whatever rainwater we collected, we stored in the tank and the sump. Sump means what? Down, inside of the ground there is a one square tank, that is called the sump. So that water we will use the later. That water we can use for garden, for agriculture, for animals. That is called the rainwater harvesting. Now next we will see the rainwater harvesting. Next is what? Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is what? Saving rainwater. What is the meaning here? Saving rainwater. Saving rainwater, and that water we will use for future. Saving water for future. Okay, children, now we will see what is the method of rainwater harvesting. We know it that rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. When it's rain, the water fills our rivers, lakes, streams, waterfall, seas, etc. Yeah, no children. So, how we will see that the rainwater harvesting? See children here. And this rainwater harvesting method is very useful. It's a very useful children. Here you can see on the roof there is a one pipe. Almost nowadays all the houses in buildings everywhere they will use the pipeline system. You know, on the roof you can see. If there is a terrace, like this terrace is there. It's a terrace, they will use here one pipeline system. Did you observe? Yes. So, here there is a pipeline system. You can see. And this is the ground. There is a one big tank inside of ground. There is a big tank. So when the rain comes, what will happen? When the rain comes, see, it's a rain. When the rain comes, then what happens? The rain water is going with the help of this pipe only. You know, the rain water falls in the terrace or on roof. Slowly it's going here, and with the help of this pipeline, the water is going into this tank. The rain water is going into tank. The water is here storing in this tank only. And the same water we will use for agriculture or we will use for garden or anywhere. And one more pipeline is connected to this tank. Whenever there is a no rain, that time we will store water we can use for the garden or we can use for the animals. Yeah, no children. So this is called the rainwater harvesting. You can see here children. So here you can see the rain falling on the roof. Yeah, no children, falling on the roof is canalized. See here, it's canalized through the pipes. It is canalized through the pipes into the underground storage tank. This is called the storage tank. See how the water is going with the help of these pipes into the underground storage tank. Yeah, no children, and is stored. See, the water is stored, and that water we will use later. See here, one more pipeline is there. That means whenever it is dry, the same water we will use it. You know? Yes, that is called the rainwater harvesting. Okay children, so what is the rainwater harvesting here? Saving rainwater for future. This is the best method to conserve the water, to collect the water in tank. Okay children? So this is the rainwater harvesting. Later I will show the one small video related to the rainwater harvesting on the children. Before that I will give the homework for you. That homework you have to do in the notebook, EVS notebook. This is the homework. I am going to give. Fill in the blanks. First one. No, fill in the blanks I have given. No, now I will give the another one. True or false? True or false? Fresh water need to be conserved. Fresh water need to be conserved. Okay. One more I will give. Rain water is the main source of water. Rain water is the main source of water. The next I will give the fill in the blanks. Dumping of waste in water dumping of waste in water, what it makes? Tell me children. Makes it dirty. Makes it dirty. Causing which pollution? Very good. You should write here. Water pollution. One more I will give. Sea water is unfit for dash, dash and dash. So this work children, this true and false and filling the blanks you have to write in the EVS notebook and then send me in the app. Now here children I will show the one small video about the rainwater harvesting. Just to see the video. Okay children, here I will show the one small video clip about the rainwater harvesting. You can see in terrace how the water is going with the help of this pipeline. Then with the help of this pipeline the water is going into underground. Then finally it's go in the tank or we say the sump. Here you can see children. See with the help of this pipe the water goes in this pipeline. See here how it's going. See, the water is collecting in this tank. Okay children, so what is the rainwater harvesting here? The act of saving rainwater for future use. I hope you will enjoy by seeing this video children. The same thing I will continue in the next class. Thank you.